Morning. I need to move some old established plants, but I don't want to lose them. It's my dough picker. So I still need time to do some stuff, so to keep the plants fresh, so you don't waste anything. I need a couple of things: paper, the plant, bucket of water. I'll just go grab a handful of dirt. Stay there. Dirt. Plant. Might as well pick off all this ugly shit. No leaves on it, so it's not going to help it. Keep the leafy stuff on there, eh? They need to do that photosynthesis. Yeah, they need light. Just pick off the ones, because we were picking off this for clay, but I'm going to change my garden and you'll see the progress as we go. Yeah, make it look tidy it up. You don't need half the stuff on there. See, damn, that's going to die, but that's okay. Roots, newspaper, little bit of dirt, plant, and the bucket, and wrap, like fish and chips. See? I'll soak that. That'll stay in this bucket until I'm ready to grow. So that's one. Dirt. Take the dirt off, pull off the excess. Pinch. Just pinch it like tomatoes. Don't know how to pinch tomatoes. Stop stealing. What are we doing? Yeah, that's done. It's relative done. Dip it in the water bucket. Put in dirt, little bit of dirt. Wrap that up. That bugger. More dirt. No, that don't look like much, but that'll grow. This stuff's hearty. Row picker, old lady gifted this to all the whānau. All the whānau over the years have had this, given you seed and plant. Now you know why we gave it, because it'll keep on giving. It's clay. Never go hungry. Then again, there. Water. That'll sit to the side and be alright. A lot of my stuff's experimental. These are bits I just picked off, so fuck it. Let's try something. If it works, if it works, it works. If not, well, never mind. So I stopped making plans years ago because plans stopped me from doing shit. Because I didn't have this, I didn't have that. By just doing shit, it forced me to think about what I'm doing or what I want to achieve. We don't need a lot of stuff. What you do need is the right attitude. So join me for more Horihacks. So see how that goes. Kia ora.